Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how we can use Hostinger Horizons to create a website. And this one is going to be a static website, and we'll do it using a prompt this time, but I'll also be showing you in another tutorial how to make one using an image. But for now, we're sticking to just using a prompt. So let's get started. If you're looking to get a 20% discount on Hostinger, then use the referral code in the description below, or go to the Hostinger website, and in the website URL, add question mark, referral code is equal to swebdev, and press enter. The code will be applied on checkout. So let's continue with the rest of the video. So in this one, I'm going to be pasting in a prompt. So what we're doing is just asking it to create a professional portfolio website for a full stack web developer. Okay, the design should feature a clean, tech focused aesthetic that is easy to navigate. Please include the following sections: a hero section with a strong introductory headline and a clear call to action, an about section detailing my journey in web development, and then a skill and tech section visually displaying my expertise in all of these things that are mentioned, and then an experience and project gallery that highlights my professional background, emphasizing the specific technologies used and the problem solved in each project. And then a contact section featuring a functional contact form, email address, and visible links to the GitHub and LinkedIn profiles. Okay, so this is what we told it, and I'm also going to add a few more things like, so I'm also adding make the color scheme a black and green combo, use solid and gradient colors. Okay, so I'm just gonna submit this and see the result. So it's also giving you a guide, so let's see that as well. It's saying that you use the chat to see each step Horizon completes and the suggestion it makes. Okay, once Horizon finishes the changes, check how your website looks and works. Edit your website by chatting. Okay. Select any element in the preview. Describe the changes and AI will update only that part of the website. Switch between the modes. Select edit content to edit the text and images, code control, and data to manage user account and other site data. Okay. Publish your website easily. Connect a domain and publish your website with just a few clicks. Okay. Create new websites, upgrade your plan, and explore more Horizon tools in the dashboard. Get inspired from AI Assistant. Get help with your website account and hosting your products. Connect with live support anytime you need extra help. Find guides, YouTube videos, the Horizon roadmap. So it's clearly just coding the websites right now. It's also saying that you can add in something for, you can add in images to help it understand certain things better. Okay. Okay, so these are just tips. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it do its thing and come back. It's done, and I can already see one mistake it's made. The color for all of these nav links, this one is fine, but the others are not that good. Okay, so okay, it's made it into a sticky bar, and I think it ended up making everything else separate pages for some reason. Don't know why it chose to do that, but let's do this. Yep, it opens up all of these different things, but it's made it into like a separate thing. But it is showing you all of this. So it is a little, I would say, simplistic, but it's fine. It did get the job done, but it is working. So this is how you can basically just ask Horizon to make this website for you. So let's also go into this. Okay, so you can manually just change this if you want. Okay, so some things can be changed, others cannot. Okay, I need to go into preview again. Let's go into about. Let's do this. Okay, so all of this can also be changed. Let's go into skills. Okay, so the rest cannot be, only these two. So it's simple text. The simple text can be changed. Everything else cannot be changed. Okay, so you just click this and you just do capital S, save this. Yes, it applied the change. Okay, it's fine. Let's go into code here. Okay, so you can see the whole website. I believe it is using React or something similar to React at least. Okay, and you can, it looks like export the code. Okay, and let's do data here. Okay, data dash will appear once you ask Horizon to add features that require data collection. Okay, user accounts or contact forms, etc. Okay. Accounts to my project, add a page with contact form that has name, email, and message fields. Add booking page with name, email, data, and time picker. Okay. Okay, so you have to specifically tell it to add something that will require this to be a thing, for this to be activated. So for now, it looks like it's user accounts and contact form data. I don't know if other things, like if you have, let's say, an e-commerce website, I don't know if that will be something that can work, but that will be a part of this, but we'll see. We also have integrations. Okay, you can also integrate, looks like Stripe into this somehow. Okay, yes, you can also make a manage products, order payments, and more with the built-in admin panel. No prompting needed. Okay, so this can be a separate thing. So it will integrate all of those things for you. Okay. Missing an integration you need. Tell us more about that. Your request helps us decide what to add next. You can also give certain feedback as well. And you can also add analytics to this as well. But for now, I think they only have two integrations and they're working on more things. So I think this was a good start. Let's just do one more thing. Let's do the mobile view as well. Okay, that's working. So yeah, the navigation needs a little bit of work, in my opinion. And you can, I believe, also ask it to fix the navigation. Let's try that first. You can also select and edit. Oh, okay, that's nice. Let's do this. Select element in the preview and let's click this. So let's do this. Let's see what it does. Because the problem for the navigation was that when you were at the top on the home page, it kept the black color for the navigation links, but I want that to be white. And then when we go and scroll, it should be then the black color again. But then I wanted to keep the black color on other pages. So let's kind of see what it does. Okay, it's done. Let's scroll. Okay, it's like this now. Perfect. Let's go to about. Okay, so it's keeping the white on the other pages. So that's a problem now. So I'll just tell it to fix that. Okay, so I just told it to fix that by telling it to, for the other pages, make the main active link green and the other links black, but for the home page, keep it the same. So as you can see, it is working. And before these were all turning white, now they are staying the same. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.